Good evening, students. Today I am going to discuss about the independent assortment and dihydride cross. Already I discussed independent assortment, that experiment which is conducted by the Mendel. But in this video I am going to discuss how the new characters are evolved, what kind of genetic makeup will form in the next generation. So that is important. Now I am going to take one cell here. See, for suppose this is one cell. In the cell consists of chromosomes here. I will use different color here. So this is the cell. Inside of the cell, chromosomes are present here. So it is belongs to the dihydride cross. So it consists of two contrastive characters. The fusion of the two contrastive characters, they produce the new characters. Okay, how they produce the new character? See, for suppose this chromosome, each chromosome consists of two genes, remember. So what are they? See here, this is capital A and capital A. Both are same genes present in the one chromosome. Then second chromosome. So it consists of small a and small a. Small a and small a. It is the another type of gene. Then coming to the next chromosome. See here, what kind of chromosomes are present here means capital B, capital B. The second chromosome is called small b, gene is called small b, small b. Remember. So these kind of arrangements we are seen in one cell which are participate in the dihydride cross. See, from this cell what kind of gametes will form? Nearly from this parent cell it able to produce the four types of gametes, remember. So how the four types of gametes will produce? See here, I will draw the four cells here first. So it is able to produce the four cells. See, these are the four gametes. What kind of gametes will produce from the parent cell? See, I will take first this one. This chromosome is reaches into this cell. For suppose I will draw the first chromosome here. See, what kind of genes? Capital A, capital A. So the second one is reaches into the another cell. See, again I will draw here. What are they? Small a and small a. First I will discuss the two cells. Like this, these two chromosomes are segregated from the parent cell into the daughter cell. So what kind of gametes will produce means the first chromosome reaches into here, and from this the second chromosome reaches into this cell. Then coming to the remaining two chromosomes, see this chromosome is reaches into this cell for suppose. So what kind of genes are present? Capital B, capital B. This is one complete cell. Then coming to the this one. This one is reaches into this cell. Then what kind of genes are present here? Small b, small b. So these are the two types of gametes. These are the two types of gametes, and also it is able to produce two more gametes also. So again this chromosome reaches into this cell. So it forms one new gamete here. See, I will write the first chromosome here. So what are the genes? Capital A, capital A. Then it will fuse with this chromosome is fused with that opposite chromosome. Then which chromosome is reaches into the third cell? This chromosome. So what kind of genes are present here? Small b, small b. Then the second chromosome reaches into the another cell. See, this is the second chromosome. Genes are small a, and this is fused with this chromosome. Then what are the genes are present here? Capital B, capital B. Capital B, capital B. See, these kind of gametes are possible in the gametes are formed in the dihybrid cross. Like this, see the parental cell having only these two gametes, but remaining two gametes are different. So how the new gametes evolved means the genes or the chromosomes, they are fused with the different chromosome. One chromosome is not only fused with the same chromosome, it is also fused with their opposite chromosome also. For that reason, here new characters are evolved. Like this, the Mendel discovered the dihybrid cross. How the new characters evolved in the dihybrid cross. Okay, this is about independent assortment. Okay, students, now I am going to discuss about the linkage. Once you take screenshot. Okay, now I am going to discuss about the linkage. See, what is linkage? Linkage means, for suppose I will take one cell here. So the cell consists of here two types of chromosome. They are mainly, I will draw some wording. So this is one cell. So here I will take the two chromosomes here. So this is one chromosome, first chromosome, and this is second chromosome. Here one specialization is there. What is the specialization? Means each chromosome contain two genes, and also the two genes are present on the same chromosome. See, for suppose here capital A one gene and capital B another gene. Here small a one gene and small b another gene. See what kind of variation we are noticed in the linkage means the same chromosome consists of two different genes. So two different genes which are present on the same chromosome, that is called linkage. So what is linkage? Same chromosome have two different genes. Remember, the same chromosome consists of two different genes, that is capital A, capital B. Both are different genes, but they are located on the same chromosome. Such kind of genes is called linked genes. These are also called linked genes. Remember. So this process is called linkage. Such kind of genes are called linked genes. Okay. Then what kind of gametes are formed from this cell? See, then it produce the two types of cells here. This is one cell and this is another cell. See, the first chromosome is reaches into in this cell. See what kind of chromosome is present here. This is one chromosome and which consists of two different genes. What are they? Capital A one gene and capital B is a second gene. And this chromosome is sent to this cell. Then what kind of chromosome is present in this cell? So this is the chromosome. Here also two different genes. What are they? Small a and small b. So these are two gametes. So these are the two gametes. These gametes are fused to each other. They are crossing over. Here one important process occurs here. What is that means? Crossing over. So both genes, that means both chromosomes are crossing to each other like this. Both chromosomes are crossing to each other. For suppose this is one gene and this is the another gene. See, for suppose this is the first gene. What are the genes are present in the first gene? Capital A and capital B. Second gene, second chromosome consists of small a, small b. So once both chromosomes they are participate in the crossing over, they exchange their genetic material. How they exchange means, see, for suppose this is one chromosome, first chromosome. For suppose this is first chromosome. So in this first chromosome consists of what are the genes? Capital A, capital B. So capital B, I will take here capital B. Instead of capital A, it absorb or it receive the small a gene. So then here what will happen? Instead of capital A, it forms the another gene here. This is called what? Small a. See, small a, capital B. So this is one type of gene will forms. Then I will take the second chromosome. See, what are the genes are present on the second gene? Small a and small b. Here also same like that. For suppose this is small b. So above the small b, which kind of gene? Small a. So instead of small a, here it receives the capital A gene here. It receives the capital A gene here. Okay. So like this gametes will form. Like this, what will happen in the crossing over means two chromosomes are crossing to each other, and they are able to exchange their genetic material. Like that, the new genes are evolved. The new genes are evolved. So this is about the crossing over. Then like this, see here, capital A, capital B one, capital A, small b one gamete, and small a, capital B one gamete, and capital A, small b one gamete. Here also four types of gametes is possible. See, this also one type of gamete, and this also one type of gamete. See, like this gametes is possible to produce. So this is about the linkage, and such kind of genes are called linked genes. Okay student, this also takes screenshot. Okay. Now coming to the another concept. So the next concept is H.Morgan experiment. H.Morgan experiment. The scientist H.Morgan, he was conducted some experiments on dihybrid cross. Remember, dihybrid cross. So, but he chose the not plants. Mendel chose the pea plant for his experiments, but the H.Morgan, he conducted experiment on the animals. So his experiments on animals. So which type of animals he was chosen for his experiments? That animal name is called Drosophila, fruit fly. So the Drosophila fruit fly, he selected the Drosophila fruit fly for dihybrid cross. Why he chose the Drosophila fruit fly for his experiments means this fly consists of different characters. That means it consists of contrastive characters. So what kind of contrastive characters means, for suppose this fly eye color. So it consists of two types of eye colors. All flies are not similar eye color. So they have different two types of eye color. So what are the two types of eye color means? One is called yellow and second one is white. See, one is called yellow color eye and another one is called white color eye. Sorry, red, sorry. One is called red. So, red color eye is a dominant, remember, and white color eye is a recessive character. So, he used some symbols for this. What are the symbols means? For suppose the red color eye indicates he was using the one symbol. What is the symbol means? W plus. What is that? W plus. And white color he was using the W. He was using the W. Okay, now coming to the body color. So here also the fly body is also not a single color. They are also having two different colors. So what are they? One is brown color and another one is yellow color. Brown color and yellow color. And some letters are also used to identify the brown color, which is brown color and which is yellow color. See, brown color indicates he was used the letter Y plus, remember, and yellow means Y. So like that different characters identify in the fly and he was used some letters given to this contrast to characters. Okay, these kind of character containing Drosophila fruit fly. He conducted the dihybrid cross. See here dihybrid cross means what? Two different characters. See, eye color and body color. These are the two traits. Okay, two different traits crossing between the two organisms. What kind of organisms will produced in F1 generation or F2 generation? See, he will took the, remember here, red eyed Drosophila. This is brown color body Drosophila. So each consists of two different traits. So he will took the male and female Drosophila, male and female Drosophila. So what kind of chromosomes are present in male? Already you know, male consists of two types of chromosomes here. For suppose one is X chromosome, this is X chromosome, and another one is Y chromosome, this is Y. So male Drosophila cell consists of two types of chromosomes. What are they? X chromosome and Y chromosome. Then female consists of both are X chromosomes, remember. See, this also X chromosome and this also chromosome, X chromosome. So both are X chromosomes. So Mendel chosen the male chromosomes and female chromosomes. He was identified. Male organism or male fly consists of what type of chromosomes? X and Y chromosomes. And female fly consists of which type of chromosomes? Both are X. Okay. First we are going to male. Male consists of which type of eye color and which type of body color. Here male consists of dominant characters. See, remember the plus indicates it is a dominant. So males are always dominant characters. See, in the X chromosome, male consists of W plus. From this eye color, which is the dominant? W plus. So male always consists of dominant. So here a W plus. So that is the eye color of the male Drosophila 5. Then coming to the second character. So which is the dominant from these two? Y plus. Y plus means what? Brown color. So Y plus. So Y chromosome, they have no any kind of genes. Okay, now only the X chromosome. Okay, in the male, which kind of organism here? W plus means what? Red eyed. Remember. So here male having red eyed. And which kind of color? Body color? Brown. So male Drosophila is look like a red eyed brown body. Remember. So both are dominant characters only. So the male Drosophila consists of which type of color eye, which type of body color means red eyed brown body. Then coming to the female. The female consists of recessive traits. See what kind of first coming to the eye color. What is the recessive character in this W? So I will write here W. W. And what kind of body color? Y. W and Y. This chromosome also W and Y. So W indicates what? White eye. And Y indicates what? Yellow. So which kind of female? Female is look like what kind of eye color and what kind of body color? See, W means what here? White eyed. White eyed. And also which color body? Yellow. Yellow color body or yellow body. Remember. So these are the parental Drosophila flies. So this is the male. How it is look like red-eyed brown body, and how the female look like white-eyed yellow body. Then crossing between these two animals. Then H.Morgan crossing between these two animals. First, some of the male flies, some of the female flies are produced. So what kind of male flies and what kind of female flies are produced? See here, crossing between these two fly. Then see here, for suppose first I will write in F1 generation. In F1 generation, offsprings. What kind of offsprings produced in the F1 generation? See, this one first I will write here for suppose male. What kind of male and what kind of female? Male or female, both are possible to producing in the next generation. So what kind of male and what kind of female flies are produced? See here, for suppose first I will take male offspring. If the male offspring is produced in the F1 generation, what kind of characters are present here. See, for suppose male. So this male, it is fused with this. Then I will write the male commonly consists of which type of chromosomes? X and Y chromosomes. It consists of X and Y chromosomes. See, this is fused with this one. So commonly it consists of W plus and Y plus. So this is fused with the W and Y. So here this is fused with this complete cell is fused with this cell. Then it coming to the what kind of gametes will form here. See, W and Y. See, here genetic material is exchanged in this. So this is one type of offspring. Then coming to the female, another type. Female means what? Both are X. So this is fused with this one. So both are X only. In this here also genetic material is exchanged here. So here what kind of genes are present here means here W plus and Y plus. So here also W plus and Y plus. See, this is the F1 generation, and in this F1 generation, see here W indicates what here? White. Y indicates yellow. So white-eyed yellow body male. See here change, first red-eyed brown body. So then F1 generation, they exchange their genetic materials and they forms W indicates what? White. So which type of male is produced here? White-eyed. Y means what? Yellow. Yellow body. Yellow body. Then here W plus means what? Red-eyed. See here red-eyed. Y plus means what? Brown body. Brown body. See, two different traits we are, two different characters. They exchange their characters. First parental fry, male is red-eyed brown body. Then female is white-eyed yellow body. Then crossing between these two, then exchange of genetic materials. What will happen? White-eyed yellow body male and red-eyed brown body is female. So these kind of offsprings are produced in the F1 generation. Okay, please take screenshot. See, in the every generation the new characters are evolved. So these experiments are conducted by the H.Morgan. So in the next video I am going to discuss about the some next content that is called mutation. Okay, thank you students, thank you very much.